Here it is. The assembly of landing gear was simply very easy. 4 screws were given here with the lock nuts, so you just put them on. And this is basically very lightweight, I think 430 grams only, and the maximum payload it takes is less than 380 grams with one battery together. So remember, after you put one 11.1 volt 2200 mAh battery, highly recommended, you keep the payload less than 380 grams. This means you can easily use a GoPro or a Replay XD camera very easily. So now we are installing the propellers, which is very simple. If you look at your user manual, it clearly shows what to do. So pick up one which says clockwise on the left front. Okay, so this is your clockwise input. Just let it go in and see, it's nice and free. Then we have anti-clockwise on the front right. So let me pick one anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise, so just goes there, right there. Okay, then back here will be anti-clockwise, of course. So back here is anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. So back here is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise, and this is the anti-clockwise. So I'll just put it here, nice and easy. And finally, the last one, common sense, goes here. That's it. Now the last thing we need to do is add a receiver. I'm gonna add AR6200 receiver. Looking at here, channel 1 is your aileron, elevator channel 2, throttle is your channel 3, and channel 4 is your rudder. So if you talk about Futaba, they will just go to 1, 2, 3, 4, but if you talk about the AR6200 Spectrum, your channel 1 will go to aileron, channel 2 will go to elevator, channel 3 will go to throttle, and channel 4 will go to rudder. Let me give it a quick connection. Alright, everything is set, my receiver is set. Now I will quickly show you the radio setup using Dx7. Using the Dx7 radio, you just set a new model. Let us do it. Turn it on. My T580p plus is already set, so I will actually go to an empty model, for example model 8. Okay, and we go to first the type of the model. We will set it to acro, that is airplane fixed wing. Alright, and add a name here, let's say T380. Set the name. Then rest of the things you can actually leave on default because you're not going to use them. Alright, and now in the menus you will use dual rate and expose on aileron and elevator if you want it to go docile or as per your requirements of flying. Reverse, of course, we will set after we check if all the channels are working in right directions. Sub-trims you will leave to default. Travel adjustment you will use 100% on all. That's it, you don't have to do anything. After that, if you have the throttle curves, you just go and set your throttle curves. Otherwise, just simply leave it. So this is it. Setup is simply easy. I'm gonna put the battery in and give it a test flight at home, and after that we will bring it out and put a Replay XD on it and see how it will do.